Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to do a technique using masking tape. This is the masking tape I have. You can probably find this at your local dollar store, but we're going to create this really fun background. Now this is the style we're going to make today, but we're going to use Pool Party. So this one is using the So Saffron. This one's using the Flirty Flamingo. So pretty. I needed lots of birthday cards for October, so these are my birthday cards I'm sending out to my team. And then this one, brace yourself, we have the Purple Posy ink. So the Purple Posy is the brand new ink color for 2019 through 2021, and we had a little issue with this Purple Posy color. The formulation of the ink pad was giving us a lot of issues, so it wasn't actually available until now. So we also have the refill. So I'll have the number listed below if you want to get this Purple Posy because it's so beautiful. So this is what I used on this one here, the Purple Posy Classic ink, and then also the cardstock. And then here's one, Wishing You an Amazing Birthday, which is also in the Purple Posy. And then here's one, instead of using like a solid color, I used 3 different colors. So this is Pool Party, Flirty Flamingo, and then the So Saffron. So cute. So let me show you the stamp sets really quick. Okay, so for this one, the Happy Day, Here's to Celebrating You, is To a Friend Like You. Love this stamp set. So that's the one I used for that one. And then Wishing You an Amazing Birthday is Everything Amazing, which you can fill in this little blank spot right here, which is what I loved about the stamp set. Plus it's a larger image, so you can fill in with whatever you want to say. So you will do amazing things. Wishing you an amazing birthday. You are an amazing friend. So you can fill in the blank with whatever applies. And then they got these little cute little decorations to decorate the amazing. All right. So that's the one I used for this one. And for the one we're going to make today, but using the Pool Party, I'm using the Band Together. Now this stamp set is also in the annual catalog along with the other 2 that I just showed you. But this one comes in a bundle with the band dies. Oh my gosh, don't you love them band dies? Look at that. So, but we're using this one for the Celebrate the Best Day Ever, which I went ahead and already stamped out and punched. But so this is available in a bundle, and if you purchase these together, you'll save 10%. So we're going to use the Whisper White, and this piece is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then a piece of the Pool Party cardstock, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. Then a piece of Whisper White, which is cut at 3 3/4 by 5, and then a piece of scrap to stamp our Celebrate. All right, so first we're going to grab some masking tape, and I will say you're going to reuse this piece of masking tape for making all your cards. So if you're doing like these for a swap, or like me when you're mass producing a whole bunch of birthday cards, just tear off one large, long piece of masking tape. And let me see, I think this is, what size is this? 1 inch. 1 inch wide masking tape. And then I'm going to grab my Pool Party. Now, of course, like I showed you with the card that I made before, you can do multiple colors, but I find that when you're making like this type of card design with this as a background, you'll want to use a lighter shade of ink so your images show up nicely. Okay, so with your masking tape, what you're going to do is you're just going to take your Pool Party Classic ink, and I'm going to lay it at a diagonal so I can get the most ink on this strip of masking tape. And you could also put this on your sleeve if you want to make it not so sticky, but I haven't found that to be an issue because you're just transferring the ink from the back of the masking tape to your Whisper White cardstock. So I'm just going to lay this onto the ink pad and then run my finger just gently across that. So then you can see the ink is on the back of the masking tape. So then the reason I wanted this cut longer from the roll is so I have a place to hold onto the masking tape. So you can see that I'm holding both ends. And then I'm just going to take that ink, because I can see through the masking tape, and I'm just going to position this right where I want it. And I'm not pressing it down on the ends. I'm just going to lightly press my finger across that ink to have it transfer to the Whisper White. And then I'm just going to go ahead and repeat that process. And then this time I'm going to bring it in to the right a little bit, just to have it like a step down. And like I said, every background will be different with this technique, which is fun. That's the fun part of doing this. So once again, we're going to ink it up. And there's my background. How easy was that? And then since we cut it longer, you can take the sticky part and just like stick it to the edge of your table. Or if you have all your pieces cut, you'll just keep continuing doing the same technique with your masking tape. All right, so now let's grab our flower. All right, so here's my flower, and we're going to use the Memento ink. And I'm going to, now this is a larger stamp. You could actually use the big block. I think it's block F, but that block is really large for my hands. So even though this stamp is like hanging over, I still find it works fine. So, and I won't be using the whole image, but I'm just going to go ahead and ink it all up just to make sure I don't miss any spots when I am stamping it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and stamp our flower along the right hand side and over top of the background that we just did with the masking tape. And I'm really just kind of eyeballing that top flower there, and then just press it down. And of course I'm pressing a little bit more because the stamp is hanging off of the block a little bit. Okay, and then just lift it up. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Go ahead and stamp our celebrate the best day ever. I'm going to show you what I did here. So I'm just going to stamp this. Okay, and then, oh, while we have the ink pad out too, I'm going to go ahead and stamp the inside of my card. So in this stamp set, let me show you again. So this was the celebrate the best day ever, and then I'm also stamping the wishing you a happy birthday for the inside. Just want to make sure I'm stamping it right. Okay, so let's open up the card. Stamp that right in the center. Wishing you a happy birthday. Okay, so we're all done with the Memento ink. Let me cover that. So let's bring in our dazzling diamonds because we're going to go ahead and... Oh, let me show you what I did for this. So for the dies, I used the oval that's in this collection, and this is the detailed band dies. And this oval fits that greeting perfectly. So then I ran that through the big shot. Okay. All right. So I went ahead and did that already. And I have that right here. Okay. So first we're going to go ahead and attach all our pieces together before we add our dazzling diamonds. I'm going to use the Stampin' Dimensionals. I'm going to put dimensionals on the back of the pool party, and we're going to attach this to the base of the card. So let me go ahead and do that. So then we're going to go ahead and put the celebrate the best day ever right here. Okay, so now we're going to add our dazzling diamonds. Okay, so we're going to use the fine tip glue pen, and I'm just going to outline the petals with this glue and then sprinkle the dazzling diamonds over top of that. So let me go ahead and do this. Maybe not. I can see all the glue spots, but maybe it's not going to show up on camera. So now we're just going to take our dazzling diamonds glitter. This makes it even better. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So pretty. Look at that. What a beautiful birthday card. All right, so let me show you the other colors again. So here's the Flirty Flamingo, the So Saffron, and then of course the brand new Purple Posy, which is gorgeous. And here's two different styles of birthday cards using two different stamp sets. So this one going horizontal, wishing you an amazing birthday, with the Purple Posy as well. And then here's one using these three colors, the Pool Party, Flirty Flamingo, and the So Saffron. So you can kind of use different colors if you want to too. All right, so if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.